Yo, what is good everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be going over tips that I use for being a video editor. So, stay tuned. Alright, so the first tip that I'm going to give you guys is to actually know what you're cutting. If you don't know what you're cutting into a video or any videos that you're editing, then you're going to be screwed. You have to know when to cut, how to cut, and where to cut. And videos that have the awkward silence, and you don't cut that out, it could be costly to viewers if you're a YouTuber, or if you're just an editor for somebody, for like a freelance, or if you're editing for a company or something. If you don't cut out that awkward silence or add some kind of other sound in, you're gonna wish you had. Okay, so the second tip that I'm gonna give you guys is to actually look up on sound design. Sound design can make or break your videos. Now, that is like a legit way to break your videos. If you actually want to suck at video editing, forget about sound design. Like, don't even worry about it. Don't even think about it. Because if you add a clip like this with no sound design, and then add a clip like this with sound design, it changes the whole perspective. The third tip that I'm gonna give you guys is to learn how to speed ramp. If you don't know how to speed ramp, then don't worry about it really. All you have to do is just kind of look at a couple tutorials and just kind of look into it though. But seriously, if you're looking to spice up your YouTube videos, guys, I extremely recommend you to please look up how to speed ramp your videos. It can make your videos go from Sasquatch to Baywatch, if you know what I mean. And the fourth tip is to add music to your videos, but not too loud, okay? Don't add it too loud, because if you add music over your original vocals, you're messing with the listener's ear, right? You're distracting them from what you're supposed to be showing. You're supposed to be, you know, informing them on something or entertaining them on something, and you don't want to distract them with a freaking 700 decibel background, right? That's all you really have to do. You really just have to kind of lower your background music volume a little bit, and then there you go. I mean, please pick a non-copyrighted song or a song that goes along with your video. If you pick a Christmas song to go with a Halloween video, then it's not going to match up, you know what I'm saying? Match your music too. And the fifth tip that I'm going to give you guys is to actually re-watch your videos, okay? Please, please, please listen to me when I say this. When you are done editing your video, when you think you're done, re-watch it like 1 or 2 more times, because I promise you that will give you a whole field of just imaginative, creative possibilities that you could want to have for your videos. You really just basically get a second chance to re-edit your video if you re-watch it 2 or 3 more times. I know that I made a little 20-second clip and I watched it maybe 10 times. Seriously. I mean, yeah, it's only 20 seconds, but re-watching it, I made it as good as I wanted to. If I really wanted to make it A+, I would spend maybe a whole day on it, but I'm proud of myself because I edited it in about 30 minutes. So, and also what I wanted to let you guys know is practice makes perfect, okay? Alright, so thank you guys for watching that part of the video. That was 5 tips on how to become a better video editor. Alright, so what I want to do now is actually go and wash my car. I haven't done that in a while, and I kind of want to take you guys along with me with a little vlog style, right? We won't be using this lens because it's a little it's too zoomed in for what I want to be doing, right? Too zoomed in for vlogs. Because if I was doing vlogs, I would be up in your face like this right here, and I would be too close to you. Anyways, what I wanted to say, if this camera will focus, is you guys are going to come along with me while I wash my car. Also, if you made it to this point in the video, which I'm pretty sure you have because you clicked on it anyways, I'm going to have to ask you to subscribe, like, and comment what you want to see next. Alright, so follow me. Come on. Alright, so we're here in the car, and I'm about to go wash it. I'm going to show you guys the kind of before and after. It's not looking too good right now. I just need to vacuum and wash it. So that's what we're going to do on this cold day. And yeah, so follow me and like the video, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Alright, see you later. Bye.
Can't stop, addicted to the fast life. Feels like we're living in the past life. Kissed you goodbye and said so long. Follow me and lead you to the unknown. I left my girl and didn't come back. Want to love the world and didn't love back. Traded in my soul to get a passport. Since then my life's been on fast forward. I've seen the ghost, I've seen the unicorn. Freelance my way without a uniform. Why be the goat when you could be the born? Why be the goat when you could be the born? Living life on the edge, can't go back. Took my pledge, living life on the edge, no regrets. Living life on the edge, no regrets. When I'm dead, living life on the edge. I am the best of right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. I am the best of right now. Right now, right now. Right now. Right now, right now. Right now. Right now, right now. Right now. I am the best of right now.
Yo, what is up, guys? I am back, and I just now cleaned my car. Now I'm just going to go get my classes registered for next semester, and I will catch you guys back at the house. Alright, so bye.
Fall on your face and get back up. Don't lose your life, it's not a backup. You're afraid of heights inside a spaceship. We live our life inside the matrix. I don't believe in imitation. I don't believe in limitation. All one believe is innovation. All one believe is innovation. Living life on the edge, can't go back. Took my pledge, living life on the edge.
Okay, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. One last thing that I want to get you guys to do is please subscribe, like, and comment to the channel, obviously. And just comment down below if I actually helped you or what your favorite part of the video was. Okay, with that being said, I think I am going to catch you guys on the flip side. So, see you later. Bye.
No